So good afternoon everybody, myself Acharya Vishwendra. I was just discussing about sleep, in which I said that what is sleeping? What happens when we sleep? So thing is that suppose this is the body and inside the body there is something called as the consciousness or the conscience. And this conscience is generally working on the sensory information. How you know that you are conscious? Because you can respond to the sensory information given to you. You are receiving information from the five senses, from the eyes, from the ears, from the nose, from the tongue, and from the skin. And you can use them. So that is the definition of being conscious. But when suppose somebody is sleeping, so when somebody is sleeping and he is in a deep sleep, then certainly the consciousness is not responding to the sensory information. It is responding to some other unconscious information which we call as the dream. So sleeping is nothing but it's like accessing the information from the unconscious mind and which you interpret as a dream. So dreams are nothing but it's a feeling when the consciousness is interacting with the information present in the unconscious mind. So one thing we are sure is that when we sleep, the consciousness transfers its access mechanism from the conscious mind to the unconscious mind. There is a shifting of the information access. You can say that information access positions. And for retaining things, that information or the neural patterns must be transferred to the unconscious mind, and from there you have to retain it to bring it back to the conscious mind. This is what we do when we take a test, because when we are teaching the students, we are basically transferring certain sort of neural patterns to their conscious mind, which ultimately gets transferred to the unconscious mind. And when we ask them a question, the reverse process is repeated. So at the very fundamental level, there is information access.